What happens when luxury meets sheer, unrelenting power? When Toyota's legendary refinement collides with Dodge's tire-shredding madness. This is the 2026 Toyota Crown Hellcat, an unholy yet irresistible fusion of Japanese sophistication and American muscle. And today, we're diving deep into what makes this car one of the most mind-blowing machines to ever hit the streets. Scene. Close-up of the front fascia and exterior design. The 2026 Toyota Crown Hellcat. The camera slowly pans across the aggressive front grille, highlighting the LED headlights as they flicker to life. The Hellcat badge glistens under the streetlights, and in the background, the unmistakable whine of a supercharger builds up before erupting into a monstrous roar. The screen cuts to black, a heartbeat sound plays. Then, boom, the Crown Hellcat launches down and empty. What happens when two completely different worlds collide? When the elegance and precision of Toyota's engineering meets the untamed, fire-breathing soul of Dodge's Hellcat powertrain. This is the result, the 2026 Toyota Crown Hellcat. It's the unlikeliest of creations, yet it makes all the sense in the world. A car that blends sophistication with sheer brute force, a machine that can take you to a business meeting in comfort and then absolutely obliterate the competition at the drag strip. This is a car like no other. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the Crown Hellcat such an absurd yet irresistible powerhouse. First things first, the looks. The standard Toyota Crown is already a head-turner with its sleek, fastback-inspired silhouette. But Toyota wasn't content with just making it powerful, they had to make it look the part, too. Up front, you're met with an even bolder grille design, flanked by aggressive air intakes that aren't just for show, they feed cool air into that monstrous engine lurking beneath the hood. And speaking of the hood, that massive functional scoop isn't just for aesthetics. It's there to ensure that the Hellcat's supercharged heart gets all the airflow it needs to unleash its full potential. The stance of the Crown Hellcat is wider, lower, and more menacing. Toyota didn't just slap a badge on this thing and call it a day, they reworked the chassis to handle the ridiculous amount of power under the hood. The 20-inch lightweight forged aluminum wheels are wrapped in performance tires designed to provide as much grip as possible, though let's be honest, when you have over 700 horsepower at your disposal, grip is always going to be a challenge. The wheel arches are subtly flared, hinting at the beast within, and along the side, you'll notice the signature Hellcat emblem, a small but unmistakable warning to anyone who dares to line up next to this thing at a red light. Around the back, Toyota kept things clean yet aggressive. The quad exhaust tips tell you this car means business, and the rear diffuser isn't just for show, it actively improves aerodynamics at high speeds. The subtle ducktail spoiler adds a touch of sportiness while maintaining the Crown's refined look. But don't be fooled, this isn't just a luxury sedan with a loud exhaust. It's a full-blown performance machine that demands respect. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the engine. Under the hood of the Crown Hellcat lies a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, the same engine that has terrorized roads and racetracks in Dodge's Hellcat lineup for years. But Toyota didn't just drop it in and hope for the best. They fine-tuned it to work with an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring that all 707 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque aren't just going up in smoke every time you touch the gas. This is the first time a Hellcat engine has been paired with AWD in a luxury sedan, and the results are absolutely insane. 0 to 60, 3.5 seconds, quarter mile, low 11s, top speed, 195 miles per hour. This isn't just the most powerful Toyota Crown ever built, it's one of the fastest sedans on the planet. And thanks to its AWD system, it actually puts its power down efficiently, unlike its rear-wheel drive Hellcat cousins that are notorious for turning tires into smoke with the slightest throttle input. But it's not just about raw numbers. The driving experience of the Crown Hellcat is something truly special. The moment you fire up that engine, you're greeted with the deep, menacing growl of a Hellcat V8. Tap the throttle, and you hear the signature supercharger whine, a sound that instantly gets your heart racing. Put it in drive, and the Crown Hellcat surprises you with how smooth and refined it feels in normal conditions. Toyota's engineers worked hard to ensure that this isn't just a muscle car in a tuxedo, it's a legitimate luxury sports sedan that can be enjoyed every day. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that balances sportiness with high-end materials. The standard Crown already had a beautifully crafted interior, but the Hellcat edition takes things to another level. You get deeply bolstered sport seats wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, complete with Hellcat logos stitched into the headrests. The digital cockpit features a 12.3-inch touchscreen with a unique performance menu.